betcha didn't know! Washing your laundry in cold water instead of hot water can reduce your energy use by more than 90%. That's because the overwhelming majority of power your washer uses goes to heating the water at the beginning of the cycle. Meanwhile, according to a study by GE Appliances, just 20% of laundry loads are washed with cold water. That's despite the fact that in most cases, clothes will get sufficiently clean without the use of hot water. According to a study cited by cleaning products industry advocacy group, the American Cleaning Institute, thanks to liquid laundry detergent formulation innovations such as inclusion of enzymes, quote, consumers can be assured of results as good or better at lower water temperatures as they currently experience with standard formulations in warm water, end quote. Not to mention, cold water clothes washing saves you money on utility bills, extends the life of your wardrobe as hot water is more damaging to fibers, fends off fading and color bleeding, reduces wrinkles in cotton and linen garments, and prevents shrinkage, except when it comes to your carbon footprint. If you're doing the laundry of a sick person, if you're washing heavily soiled garments such as baby's cloth diapers, if you're doing a load of towels or sheets which tend to collect a lot of sweat and grime over time, if you're doing laundry during chilly weather in a very cold climate where tap water is less than 40 degrees. According to Arm & Hammer, these are 4 instances in which warm or hot water are preferable to cold. But otherwise, it's cool to be cold. And if you learned something there, please like and share.